Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to refill the water tank on a Tank-Tineco Floor 1 vacuum. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have this Tank-Tineco Floor 1 vacuum. And basically it's a vacuum with like a wet feature within it, okay? Now, there is a water tank that you can refill with water and, the cleaning solution that you have chosen to use. And it's actually back here. So I'll show you how to refill it. It's actually really, really easy. So this is the front of the vacuum, okay? You can see here's like the head of the vacuum, sort of the head of the mop / vacuum, whatever you want to call it. This is the front of it, okay? This is the handle. You're going to turn it around and you're going to look at the back of it. When you're looking at the back of it, this right here is the water tank. It is a clean water tank. The tank that you fill with water and any cleaning solution that you're going to use. Now, how do you refill this? It's actually really, really easy to do. So first you have to take it off. So it's very easy to do that. You can see right here, there's a little bit of a button over here. So you're going to want to put your finger underneath here and then use your thumb to press on that sort of button. And you're going to press down on the button just like that. Then you can pull it out like that, okay? Now what we have here is we have the clean water tank. Now, this is the way that I took it out. Just remember that. So you're looking at the top of it over here. On the top of it, there is just a little piece over here that essentially we can open that up just like that. And there's a little hole, and you can use that hole to put in your water and your cleaning solution. And you can refill the water tank that way. When you're done, you can close this up just like that. It's a nice solid close. You can turn it back around and you can put it back in place. To do that, you get the bottom, you line up the bottom first, tuck the bottom in, and then you just push on the top. And when you hear that click, you're good to go. It's literally that simple. That is how to refill the water tank on a Tank-Tineco Floor 1 vacuum. A simple tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And that is truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.